Take this example. The joint distribution of two random discrete random variables x and y. It is given by f of xy is equal to k into 2x plus y. Where x and y are integers such that 0 is less than x less than or equal to 2 and 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3. Now to find all these, find the value of k, then the marginal distributions of x and y, and to show that x and y are dependent, and further these probabilities are to be calculated. So given is so k f of xy is k times 2x plus y. It is given the function is defined as f of xy is k times 2x plus y. Now, and x lies between 0 to 2, or x takes the values from 0 up to 2. So what will you write there? How to go for it? Let me put the table only, joint distribution table. Write a sentence that the joint distribution table is. Here we'll take the value of x vertically, y horizontally. So what are the values of x? X takes the values from 0 up to 2. That is 0, 1 and 2. And the values of y 0 to 3. 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll go for the function. The corresponding values of f of xy, that is nothing but j, I, j, it is nothing but. So it is given by k into 2x plus y. Can you tell what is the first value? What should I write here? Probability that is x is 0, y is 0. That is f of 0, comma 0. This first value. It is probability that x will take the value 0, y will take the value 0. So put it in this, we will get k times 0, or you can put it as 0 again. Next one, x is 0 and y is 1. This value, to put this table value, it is x is 0 and y is 1. So what will you have? Probability that x0, y1. It is k times 2 into 0 plus 1. You will get it as k. Not necessary that you have to write these all in detail. Just for you to know I am writing. Now here you get k. Can you tell the next value?
2k, ma'am.
2k. X is 0. So this value becomes 0 there. Every time first value 2x becomes 0 because we are finding at 0. Only we will be getting the values of y multiplied with k. So we'll get 2k. Next value I hope is 3k. This next second row value, x is 1, y is 0. Let us f of 1, comma 0. X is 1 and y is 0. K times 2 into 1, y is 0. What will you have? Is it 2k?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the values quickly, all other values. What's the next value?
3k, ma'am.
3k. Next. How much time you are taking? x1, y2. 1 and 2 here. 2 plus
4k, ma'am.
4. Yes, 4k. X is 1, 2 plus 3, 5. You will get 5k. X
5.
is 2, y is 0. 2 into 2 will get 4k. X is 2, y is 1. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, it is 5k.
5.
Yes. Next one, I think 6k and 7k.
6k.
6k, 7k.
Yes.
Okay. Now, to get the value of k, you know one thing, that is the sum of all the probabilities is 1. So you have to add all this, or else you can go for f of xi. That will also give you the sum here. Then later you can add g of yj. That is the marginal distribution will write. How much you will have here? 3k plus 3k. It is 6k, 5, 14 it is.
14.
Yes, next one. 10, 17, 20.
22.
Okay. Now if you add these all, it has to be 1 actually. It has to be 1. Sum of all the probabilities. Actually, how much it is?
42k.
20, 42k. I hope this way, if you add the row also, you will be getting 42 itself. If you add g of yj, how much it is? 6k. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9, 12, 15.
19. Okay. 15.
Is it 42 okay? Sum? 15 plus 15, 30, yes, that is 42, right? Okay. Now we know that
Yes, ma'am.
Summation, how to write x and summation y of f of xy is equal to 1. Sum of all the probabilities. X taking all the values, y taking all the values of the function f of xy is 1. And that is given by this value for us. 42k is equal to 1. So this implies k is 1 by 42. So we got the value of k. Now once you get the value of k, write this distribution table again with value of k as 1 by 42. What they asked is marginal probability distribution. At least let us write that. What are the marginal probability distributions? Second question this is. First one is find the value of k. Second one is marginal probability distribution of x, I will write x and f of x it is. What are the values of x? 0, 1, 2. Corresponding probabilities. X is 0, f of x is 6k. We'll write 6 by 42 because k is 1 by 42. Next one. When x is 1, 14 by 42. And when x is 2, that's 22 by 42. So these are the marginal distributions of x. Now similarly, write the marginal distribution of y. Marginal distribution of y. Y and g of y. Y values 0, 1, 2, 3. Corresponding probabilities. When y is 0, its probability will take the last row there, 6k, that is 6 by 42. When y is 1, its corresponding probability is 9k, that is 9 by 42. Next we have 12 by 42 and lastly 15 by 42. These are the marginal probability distribution of x and y. Show that the random variables are dependent. How to show that the random variables are dependent?
Covariance of xy should be equal to not equal to 0.
won't it become a very lengthy procedure? Covariance to find, you need expectation of xi, expectation of x, expectation of y, sigma x and sigma y. Is it necessary to find all that? Anything else could be done? Anything else? When you say they are independent, the definition, what's the definition? Apart from that, the condition, what is the definition? When did you say that they are independent?
Expectation of xi is equal to
No, apart from that, one more. Before that, I think we are written one more. The definition.
covariance of xy is equals to
No,
G of yj equal to
yes. What is there? I'll write it here. The definition of this what it is independent random variable says that probability that x is equal to x, y is equal to y must be equal to probability that x equal to x into probability that y is equal to y. Just a minute. Continue it. Yes. So we know that the definition tells probability that x equal to x and y equal to y must be equal to probability that x equal to x into probability that y equal to y. Just check this, it will not obey. Then we can write that the variables are dependent for any one value we can take. You can, which one shall I take?
1.
1, okay, x1, and then probability that x equal to 1, y equal to, shall I take again 1?
Yes.
Y equal to 1.
Yes,
okay. Probability that x equal to 1, y equal to 1. What's the value? Let us write LHS. I'll go for LHS. Probability that x equal to 1, y equal to 1. How much it is? X is 1, y is 1 is? Yes. 3 by 42. 3k, that is 3 by 42. Now, it should be equal to probability that x equal to 1 into probability that y equal to 1. What is probability that x equal to 1? That is nothing but you can write it as even. It is f of x into g of y it is. Okay. So this is nothing but f of 1 I can write. Probability that f of 1 into it is g of 1. What is f of 1?
14 by 42.
14 by 42. And g of 1 is 9 by 42. So 14 by 42 into 9 by 42. Whatever. So how much you get the answer? 126. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, whatever. It's not equal to 3 by 42. It is not equal to 3 by 42, right? Thus, we say that, thus, probability that x is equal to x, you don't just write like this. The condition for independent random variables is, you just write it here. The condition for independent random variables is this. Okay, but probability that x equal to x, y equal to y is not equal to probability that x equal to x into probability that y equal to y. If at all it does not obey for one value, you can say that it is, sometimes it may obey here for some value, somewhere, here I don't think so, but somewhere, well, when we write this distribution table, somewhere this value may be equal to this two products. If at all it obeys for all except one, then also we say that it does not obey. It has to obey for all the values, otherwise they are said to be dependent. Therefore, x and y are dependent. The next one, next question, what it is?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Madam, 42 3 is 126, ma'am.
42 3 is cancelled there.
Yes, ma'am. 42 3 is 126.
Which one? 42?
3 ma'am.
Then we will get 3 by 42 there. Are you getting 3 by 42?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then go for another value. Go for another value. Take, that's what I told. Sometimes it may obey. At 0 0 only you can take. It doesn't obey at 0 0. Easiest one. This will obey means don't take this value. Shall I take 0 0? Probability that x equal to 0, y equal to 0. How much it is? 0, right? And probability that x equal to 0 is 6 by 42. Probability that y equal to 0 is also 6 by 42. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then you see that probability that x equal to 0, y equal to 0 is not equal to probability that x equal to 0 into probability that y equal to 0. Check it and write there. Don't write for all as we just now did, because sometimes it will obey for some of the values. Even it may obey for all except one. Then also we say that they are not independent. Last question. Different probabilities they have. Quickly tell us what are those? X equal to 1, y equal to 2. What is the probability that x is 1 and y is 2? Yes? What's the probability that x is 1 and y is 2?
4K, ma'am.
4K.
4k. X is 1, here it is, and y is 2, here you have. So, come to that column and that row correspondingly, see what value you get. Probability that x equal to 1, y equal to 2 it is. So, x1 and y2, we have to move like this, and this is the value that you get, 4k. That means it is 4 by 42. Okay. Then next one, x is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. How much is the value? X
5 by
is 2.
42.
Yes. X is 2, y is 1. 5 by 42. This value. 5 by 42. Next one. Probability that x is greater than or equal to 1, y is less than or equal to 2. What will you mean by that? X is greater than or equal to 1 means which are the values that x is greater than or equal to 1 means?
1, 2, ma'am.
1
1, 2, 3.
Yes. not 3, x value.
1, 2.
X is greater than or equal to 1 means it should be 1 and 2. Y is less than or equal to 2. Equal to is also there. That means
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2.
0, 1. So you have to add all these corresponding probabilities. When x is 1, y is 1, then x1, y2, x2, y1, 0 also even. X, is it? Y is less than or equal to 2. 0 should be included. I think we have to go for these all values. These all values. The C question. X is 1, y 0, you'll get this value. X1, y1. So x is 1 means you'll be getting all these values up to 2 here. Up to 2, notice. 3 I should not take. Only these values. X1, y0, x1, y1, and x1, y2. Only up to 2. Now, next value is x is 2, y0, x2, y1, and x2, y2. So these values, if you add, that will give you the probability. See how much you get? 10, 23 it is? 23K? Is 23K?
Yes.
Okay. And one more question is there. I have written one more question. X is greater than or equal to 2. Sorry, x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. That means what all values you have to take? X plus y is greater than or equal to 2 means which values will you consider? Pick. X plus y should be greater than or equal to 2.
X equal to 1, y equal to 2, y equal to 2. And x equal to 1, y equal to 3, and x equal to 2, y equal to 3.
See that the sum x plus y should be greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to it is. So which all values will you consider for greater than or equal to? I'll just write this value so that I can write here. Yes. X plus y should be greater than only greater than 2. X plus y should be greater than 2. So which all values will you take? X plus y, when you add, it should be greater than 2. Which all values will you take?
X,
X equal to
X
1, y equal to
Y3.
x0, y3, right? The sum is
Yes.
3. The sum is 3, x plus y. It is greater than 2. Next one.
X0,
With x0, I think
X1,
one combination. That is y2. Now we'll
X1,
y2, right? X is 1, 2, then sum is 3. Next one. X is 1,
we have x
Y
plus y
is 1, Y is
equal
not
Y is 3.
next value. F of x is 2, y should be 1. Then x is 2, y is also 2. Then x is 2, y is 3. So these all values, the sum of x.
Madam, that is x plus y greater than equal to 2 or only greater than 2?
What I have written, I thought it is greater than.
Previously it was greater than equal to.
I have written greater than or equal to, take greater, no, whichever. If you take greater than or equal to, then you will add some more values for it. Which one value? F of 0, 2 will be added,
0, 2.
right? And one more here, f of 1, 1. And even f of, only this much. 1, 1. And later f of 2, 0. These values should be added. Is it? Sum should be greater than or equal to means check out this sum. The sum should be 2 or more. The sum of x and y, whatever you take here, it should be greater than or equal to 2. Now add the corresponding probabilities. Add all the f of 0, 3. This is 3k. Go on adding them. 3 by 42 plus f of 1, 2. 1, 2. It is 4k. 4 by 42. So add all these. Check out what the value you get. Shall I go to the next example?
Yes, ma'am.
Take this example. X and y are independent random variables. X takes the values. X takes the values 2, 5, 7. Its probability is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and 1 by 4. Y takes the values 3, 4, 5 with the probabilities 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Three questions are given again. Find the joint probability, find the covariance, show that covariance is 0, and find the probability distribution of z equal to x plus y. Let me write the given data first. Given, the marginal distributions are given to us, right? Probabilities are given. X, okay. X will take the value 2, 5, 7. And the corresponding probabilities are given. We'll just write f of x. X values are 2, 5, 7. Corresponding probabilities 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Also, y and g of y are given. Y values are 3, 4, 5. Corresponding probabilities 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So with this, find the joint probability distribution of x and y. How to find the joint probability distribution? How to find the joint probability distribution? How will you go for it? The joint probability distribution. Read the question.
Expectation of x is equals to mu x is equals to sigma xi into f of xi.
Joint probability. What you are telling? Can you tell me once again?
Ma'am, expectation of xy is equals to sigma into xi into yi yj into j into ij.
Now you are going for expectation.
We have marginal probability. We can find joint probability.
You can find
Yes, ma'am. We can find the values of x, probability of x.
how. That's what I'm asking. How will you find? 2, 5, 7 here. I'll write a joint distribution table. Put the joint distribution table. X values, y values are 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now what we have is the marginal distributions. I'll write f of x here, g of y. We have the marginal distributions. Now f of x, when x is 2, corresponding probability is 1 by 2. We need to write it here, marginal distribution. When x is 5 here, probability is 1 by 4. Again, when x is 7, probability is 1 by 4. Similarly, the marginal distribution of y we know, we'll write them here. What are the values? When y is 3, all the probabilities are 1 by 3. You can see that the sum will be 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 1. Similarly, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is also equal to, is it 1 or not? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, you get it again 1. Okay. Now, how to get? Yes, I want this value, joint probability distribution. How will you write it as? How will you write it? Somebody told you can write. How?
Madam, they have given that covariance of x and y, like they have asked the question, of course, show that, but can we use that?
Of course, you can use it. What will you use that?
They have asked covariance of x and y is equals to 0. If the covariance is 0, they are independent variables. So,
But it is mentioned, and that's why I'm telling you read the question. It is mentioned in the question only. X and y are independent.
yes, ma'am.
Already it is mentioned in the question, right? Now how to calculate the marginal distributions? Joint distributions. What does your property tell? Just now we showed that they are not independent. Now we have independent.
P of xy is equals to f of x into g of y.
Yes, jij will be equal to f of xi into g of yj. Then your x and y are said to be independent random variables. Jij denotes the joint probability distribution of xi and yj. If it is equal to the product, just jij, it is nothing but probability that x equal to xi, y equal to yj. Instead of writing all this, we can write it as just jij. It is f of xi into g of yj. F of this value, what is this? I'll write it separately. This value, it is j. It is probability that x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Right? This value, if you go for, it will be the probability that x will take the value 2, y will take the value 3. Because it is mentioned that x and y are independent, we can write it as it is equal to probability that x equal to 2 into the probability that y equal to 3. Now, how much it is? Probability that x equal to 2 means it is 1 by 2. Probability that y equal to 3, y is equal to 3, it is 1 by 3. So, you get the value as 1 by 6. In other words, if you go for this product, it will give you 1 by 6 here, the stable value. Are you getting? But unless it is mentioned, you can't go this way. If only it is mentioned that x and y are independent random variables, then only you can go this way. Can you tell me the next value here? It is just a product of the corresponding
1 by 6.
marginal distributions. Is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Again it is 1 by 6. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Again you will get 1 by 6. Now for 5, this value.
1 by 12.
Yes, 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. It is 1 by 12. Again 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. It is 1 by 12. Go for this, the marginal distributions along the row and the column of that particular value. Take the product. Again you get 1 by 12. Last value. Again all are 1 by 12.
1 by
Yes.
Yes.
1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 12. You can see the sum of this first row will be 1 by 2, second row will be 1 by 4. You'll be getting the same things again. Okay, this is the joint probability distribution. Understand the question correctly so that you can write them. These are the easiest part. I'm telling you, you can do it very easily. Now we got the joint distribution table. What's the next question? Show that covariance of x and y is equal to 0. So for this, first answer is the joint probability distribution. We are done it. Second question is covariance is 0. What all we have to go for it? Covariance of xy must be equal to 0 to show this. What all you need? What's the formula? Covariance.
Of xy.
Yes, you need expectation of
Expectation of
x,
xy.
Expectation y.
y, expectation of xy. Further, you need sigma x, sigma y. Or else even you can skip this. Is it? Because whatever the value of sigma x and sigma y are there, the numerator covariance of xy is expectation of xy. Oh, that is rho, no? Covariance is just expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y, right? Find these values then. Will you do it yourself later? Because we are running out of time. Expectation of x is simple. Can go for this 2 into 1 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 4 plus 7 into 1 by 4. It is 1 plus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Similarly, expectation of y is y into g of y, sum of all these. So it is 3 into 1 by 3. You get here 1 by 1, which is 1 plus 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Or you can write 3 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3. You can add it easily. How much you get? 12 by 3, that is 4. How much is this here? Is it 4 again? Is it 4? 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 is 12 by 4. 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. You have to write it clearly. I'm just doing it. Summation of x into f of x it is. You'll get 4. Expectation of y, summation of y into g of y. Again, you'll get 4. Now go for the summation of x to y into j I j. xi yj into jij. That is this term xi yj into jij. So you have to add all in x. Add all these combinations and see what the then minus expectation of x 16
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Is it breaking a lot? Other? Or not?
No, it's done.
Students? One last question. What is find the probability distribution of z equal to x plus y? How to go for it? Probability distribution of z equal to x plus y. What do you mean by probability distribution of x? What do you mean by probability distribution of x? What is this? What's there written here? Of course, we say marginal, but is it not the distribution of x here? This is the distribution of x.
Yes.
Already I written it previously also. Distribution of x means x values, what are the values of x and their corresponding probabilities. If you tabulate, then we call it as the distribution of x. Now what they have asked is the distribution of z is equal to x plus y. Now first you have to find what are the values that z takes. What are the different values that z takes? Then later you have to find its probabilities. Can you tell what are the values of z? Range of z, or the values of z you can see. Different values of z. X, what I have taken given, x values are what? 257. Y values are 345. Now we want z as x plus y. If you add all these, check out what all values you get.
5, 6,
5, 6, then
6,
5 plus 3,
8,
7. Then we'll go for 5. 5 plus 3, that's 8,
9,
9,
10, 11,
10. Okay, no
11,
value.
12.
Okay, no value is repeated. Then I'll write it here only. I thought if any value repeats. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last value is 12. Okay. So these are the values that takes. The sum of x and y values. Take 2 and add 3 will get 5. Then again 2 plus 4 will give you 6. Then 2 plus 5. Then no go for the next value. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 5. So take all the possibilities. Add them all. So these are the values that x will, z will take. Now you have to write its probabilities. So to write the probability. Probability, I'll write the table only. Probability distribution of z. Z and f of z. What's the value now? Z value is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Can you tell what's the probability that z is 5? When will you have z as 5? When is z equal to 5?
X equal to 2 and Y equal to 3.
Now you have to find it is nothing but probability that z equal to 5. Probability that z equal to 5 is nothing but probability that x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. What is the probability that x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 from your table? X is 2, y is 3. How much it is?
1 by 6.
1 by 6. So you'll get 1 by 6. The probability that z equal to 6. When is it 6?
When x is 2, y is 3.
Y is 4.
No, ma'am.
X2, Y is 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? X2 and Y 4. So you'll get 1 by 4.
1 by 6.
1 by 6 again. Right? All the values in the similar way. That will be giving you the, just I ask you the probability distribution. Just write, note down all the values. It is 1 by 6, 1 by 6. What about the next value?
When x is 2 and y is 5.
How much is the value? X2, Y5, 1 by 6 again. Yes. For 8, that is 5 and 3. X is 5, Y is 3. I think rest all
1 by
values
12.
are 1 by 12 only. You are getting all the
Yes,
table
ma'am.
values. You are getting all the table values. It is 1 by 12. Okay, already we are out of time. Let me stop here. Yet we need to do some more examples from this joint distribution. The examples are lengthy. Continue on Monday.